In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get AI in Facebook Messenger. We will walk through each tap together so you can follow along on your own screen without guessing. To begin, open Messenger, look for the familiar Messenger app icon on your phone and tap it once. When the app launches, you should land on your Chats tab, showing your recent conversations and group chats. If Messenger asks you to log in, use your regular Facebook account, then you will see your usual chat list appear. Once Messenger is open, tap the search bar at the top. It usually sits above your chat list and may say Search or Search Messenger in faint gray text. When you tap it, your keyboard appears at the bottom, and the rest of the screen shifts up slightly to make room. You might also see a few recent contacts or suggested searches right under the bar, which is normal. Now, in that search bar, type the words Meta AI. Make sure you spell Meta as M-E-T-A, then add a space, then the letters A and I. As you type, Messenger will start showing search results below, which might include contacts, group chats, and services. If Meta AI is available in your region and on your account, you should see an entry called Meta AI show up in that list with an assistant-style icon. Next, tap Meta AI in the search results. As soon as you tap it, Messenger opens a dedicated chat window, just like a conversation with a friend, but this one is with the AI assistant. At the top, you should see the name Meta AI and usually a small profile picture style icon to confirm you are in the right place. You might also see a short description under the name that mentions asking questions or getting help. With the Meta AI chat open, start chatting and ask questions. You can type something simple like "What can you do?" or ask for a quick summary of a topic you care about. After you send your message, watch for the typing indicator near the bottom of the screen, which shows Meta AI is generating a response. The reply appears in the chat as a regular message bubble, and you can scroll up later to reread anything it has said. One helpful tip here, you do not need to start a new chat each time. You can keep using this same conversation whenever you want to talk to the AI. So now you have opened Messenger, found Meta AI through search, and started your first conversation with it. If this helped you get Meta AI running in Messenger, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.